Let's review the workflow for multi-channel texturing in more detail. I'm going to use a crate I previously modeled in Blender version 2.9 and textured with PBR Painter version 2.4. Previous tutorials of modeling, texturing, and exporting this crate to Trainz can be found here. Videos of modeling, texturing, and exporting of this crate to Trainz can be found here. I'm not going to model or export the crate to Trainz. I'm only going to texture the crate so I can show you the new changes in PBR Painter3 user interface, and so I can, in forthcoming videos, compare the multi-channel texturing workflow shown here to the multi-channel painting workflow. I'll open Blender 4.4.3 and the Blender crate file. I'll switch to the PBR Painter3 workspace. And in the outliner window in the upper left-hand corner, make sure the crate mesh is selected. In the Properties window on the right, I'll select New to create a new material. With the layer selected, I'll add a layer by selecting the layer icon. I'll call the layer Wood. For multi-channel texturing, the layer type is left at the default value of Standard. I'll select OK to close the window. Now I will select the multi-import icon to import the textures. I'm going to import diffuse, normal, and roughness. To view the textures on the mesh, I'll switch from solid mode to viewport shading mode. I think the boards are too large. To reduce the scale, I'll open the mapping chevron and set the X and Y scale to 2. With multi-channel texturing, one adjusts the faces of the mesh to the PBR material texture set. This is done by creating a UV map and then, if necessary, tweaking the position of the faces using the diffuse texture map. By activating UV Sync, one can select a face in the 3D editor window on the right and move it in the UV editor window on the left by using the G key and dragging. The number pad period key can be used in both the 3D editor window and the UV editor window to zoom in on the selected face. As we will see in upcoming videos, multi-channel painting is the reverse of multi-channel texturing, in that it is the diffuse texture map that is moved, not the model's faces.